In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into Exness. To get started, access your Exness account using the official Exness website or the Exness Trade app. Whichever option you choose, make sure you're logging in through the official platform for security and accuracy. Once you're inside your account, you'll be taken to your personal area, which is where you can manage payments, trading accounts, and other account settings. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Deposit tab. This section is specifically designed for adding funds to your account, and it will show you the payment options available to you. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Just find the deposit or payment section and open it. Next, browse through the available payment methods that are tailored to your region. The options shown can vary depending on where your account is registered. For example, in the Philippines, you may typically see methods such as bank transfers, GCash, USDT, or credit and debit cards. It's a good idea to choose the method that is most convenient for you and that you're already familiar with. As you review the options, pay attention to things like processing time, supported currency, and any minimum or maximum deposit limits. After selecting your preferred payment method, enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll also need to choose the trading account that should receive the funds. This is an important step, especially if you have more than one trading account in your personal area. Double check that you're sending the money to the correct account before continuing. It's also helpful to confirm the amount carefully so there are no mistakes before submission. Once everything looks correct, complete the transaction by following the on-screen instructions. The exact steps here depend on the payment method you selected. In some cases, you may need to enter a one-time password, also known as an OTP, to verify the payment. In other cases, you may be asked to open your bank or payment app and approve the transaction there. Just follow each prompt carefully until the payment is confirmed. After the transaction is completed, wait for the deposit to be processed and reflected in your trading account. Processing times can differ depending on the method you used, so if the funds don't appear instantly, give it a little time. And that's it. That's how to deposit money into Exness safely and correctly.